Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix we cannot find your camera error 0xA00F4244 in the Windows 10. So let's get started our video. First of all, you have to open the run box by clicking the window plus R at the once, and after that you have to put here the specific key reg edit and then click OK. Now you will find here such type of the interface. You have to just click on the HK local machine and expand this option, and then you have to expand the software option here, and then scroll down. Here you will find an option of Microsoft. Just click on this option. After expanding this option, you have to just search the Windows Media Foundation option. Also expand this option here, and now you have to just click on the platform option here, like I am expanding this option here, and then you have to just right click at this space and then click on the D word 32-bit value. You have to just select this option here. After selecting this, you will find here a new folder. Then you have to rename this folder by giving the name, which is enable frame server mode. Okay, after giving this name, you have to just hit the enter option, and then you have to just right click on this option here, and now you have to just click on the modify option, and a new pop-up will be open for you. You have to set this value at 0 and then just press the OK option, but make sure that you set this value here for 0. So after doing this, your problem has been resolved. So that's all for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give this video like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guys, thanks for watching.